What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So recently I've had a lot of questions about the C6 wheels that I've got on my C5 Corvette. So I'm going to explain in this video exactly what these wheels are and how to mount them. So the wheels that I have on my C5 Corvette are the C6 Gumby wheels. They're named after the claymation character Gumby that was created in the 50s and 60s. They were named after this character because the spokes on these wheels look pretty similar to the character's legs. These wheels are actually more sought after than the early version of the C6 base wheels because these are actually forged wheels as compared to the normal cast wheels. And because they're forged, they're actually stronger than the cast versions. And a lot of people don't know this, but actually the Gumby wheels are the only OEM wheels that have enough clearance to fit over the Z06 calipers. I really enjoy the look of these wheels, and I'm not really a huge fan of chrome, but I think these wheels look pretty clean with the Arctic white color. I think down the road I might get a second pair of wheels in silver or brushed aluminum just for shows. So these wheels are actually staggered from front to back. The front is going to be 18 by 8.5 with a plus 79 offset. Whoa. Did I just say plus 79 offset? Sorry guys, the front wheels are actually a plus 56 offset. And the rear is 19 by 10 with a plus 79 offset. So these wheels will fit right onto the C5 because the C6 has the exact same lug pattern. So the rear wheels on a C5 Corvette measure at 18 by 9.5 with a plus 57 offset. This is obviously a big difference. So with the C6 wheels, you can actually get a 20 to 25 millimeter spacer and that'll fill some of that gap. But a 305 is the max tire size that you can use with a C6 wheel. When it comes to wheels for the C5, I find it pretty hard to find wheels that I like, but I really enjoyed the wheels that my friend Matt had on his Z06, and you might remember those from this video. Here's the specs that he had on those wheels. I would absolutely need to slam my Corvette to pull those off, and I really don't think I can go much lower with the driveway at my house because it's at such an aggressive angle. Are you planning on putting C6 wheels on your C5 Corvette? Let me know in the comments below. And as always guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of our C5 Corvette content. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.